Hey guys, Mr. B here. In this video, we're going to be going over the practice problems in the chapter 1.1 notes on science skills. So here we go. Starting with number 1, it says define science. Ooh, I did not mean to do that. Define science. So there is a definition for this directly in the notes. And I think basically it says science is both a system of knowledge and methods used to find that knowledge. So you can put down something like that, or you can use your own words too. But I'm just going to put down science. Oh, let's not bold it. Oh my gosh, I'm hitting all kinds of buttons here. We'll go science is a system of knowledge and the methods used to find that knowledge. There you go. Okay, number 2, the questions that lead to scientific discovery are provided by. So again, this is also directly in the notes. But this basically is, I think it was curiosity. Curiosity, there we go. So the questions that are usually, questions that usually lead to curiosity or scientific discovery are usually provided by being curious in the first place, right? So it's a lot of people that were curious about things that then led to them discovering, things about the world and how it worked. All right, number 3, true or false. So the results of every scientific experiment are quantitative. So remember that quantitative means measurement or numbers. So it's basically saying the results of every scientific experiment is always some number or some amount of something. No. Okay. Sometimes they're qualitative. Qualitative meaning that we are just looking at what something looks like or making observations with our senses. We're not making any measurements. So this is false, not true. Okay, moving on. Number 4, true or false. The use of knowledge to solve practical problems is known as curiosity. This is false. Okay, remember that this is technology. So when we use our knowledge to solve some kind of problem that we have that we didn't know how to solve before, that's called making technology or creating technology. Okay, technology is about using our knowledge to solve problems. All right, number 5, how are science and technology related? So science and technology are interdependent on each other. So basically what that means is that as science gets better, technology gets better, or as technology gets better, science gets better. Okay, they go hand in hand. So you can say that science and technology are related in the fact that as one gets better, so typically does the other. They are interdependent. All right, cool. Moving on, number 6, circle the letters of each branch of natural science. So remember, there are 3 branches of natural science. It's physical science, so that's A. There is earth and space science, that is B. And then the third one is life science, okay, that is D. Social science is not part of natural science. Social sciences are things like, economics and, I don't know if economics falls under social science, but it's, social sciences are usually sciences that study like large populations and stuff like that. So they're still sort of scientific, but they're not part of the natural sciences where you're studying the natural world. So, all right. Number 7, the study of matter, energy, and the interactions between the two through forces and motion is known as. So this is physics. Okay, this is a class that you may take when you guys are juniors or seniors. Yeah, we'll be learning a lot of physics in this first half of general science. So lots of moving objects and talking about forces and all kinds of stuff. All right, last 2 questions. Number 8, true or false. All the important rules of nature have already been discovered. Man, that would be great, huh? Unfortunately, this is also false. We have not discovered every piece of information that we can possibly learn about the world and the universe. Otherwise, if we did, science wouldn't exist anymore. So that is false. And then lastly, number 9, true or false, the scientific facts of today will not change in the future. That would also be really, really nice. But unfortunately, unfortunately, that's not true. Things in science change all the time. Facts that we know today will most certainly change in the future, or very likely. So that is false. All right, so that was it for this section of notes. Hopefully that helped you if you had any questions or confusion. Otherwise, if that didn't help you and you need more help, reach out to me as always. You can email me. You can talk to me in class. You can set up a time to chat face-to-face, maybe over Google Meet. Whatever you need, but make sure that if you're confused, you get your questions answered. So, all right, guys, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.